प्यारे हुजूर अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
Islam.
My name is Kaisar Ahmed Sudari. My question is, at college you have classes based on inter-religious talks. In these classes, how may I present Islam and Ahmadiyyat in the best way?
You see, how old are you? 14?
12. 12 years old.
So you are quite young anyway. So you cannot understand the philosophy of the teaching of Islam. If you read philosophy of the teaching of Islam, or you can take help from any of the missionary or your elder, so he can make a summary of the book, then it can help you present the true teaching of Islam. Or Khalifatul Masih Rabi, his book is also a good Islam's response to contemporary issues. This is how you can present Islam before your students. Or even there are quite a number of my addresses in the Peace Symposium which reflects the true teaching of Islam. How should a Muslim live and how can you improve your life standard? How can you get closer to Allah Ta'ala? So in this way you can read and listen to my lectures as well. So there are quite a number of books there in our literature that can help you to present Islam among your students, before your students in a better way.
Jazakallah.